Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Right now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Aligned Rectangle tool to make this pair of aligned rectangles. So the Aligned Rectangle tool is underneath the rectangle drop-down menu. It's the third option. This allows us to make rectangles that are not in your conventional straight up and down fashion. So most rectangles, you draw them, they just have a horizontal side and a vertical side. We're going to go ahead and draw some rectangles that don't have a horizontal or vertical side. So to do that, I'm going to grab the Align Rectangle tool. I'm going to click on my origin. Of course, I have my origin consumed, so I've got a fake origin over here. Click on the starting point, and that's going to allow me to draw a line. The second click will place the second corner of the rectangle, and the third click will place the third and fourth corners of the rectangle. At this point, if I'd like to add a dimension, I can. I don't want to yet add a second dimension because, as you can see in my example, I don't have two dimensions. So we'll just go ahead and use something else. For example, that equal constraint, which is shortcut key E, will allow me to make two sides of the rectangle equal to each other, forming a square. I would like this rectangle be aligned so that the highest point is above the origin. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the vertical constraint. The V key is the shortcut for vertical. So click V, and then I'm going to click the origin and that uppermost point. Of course, you can see that turns everything black. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a second aligned rectangle underneath the first one. And if I do it so that I have, you can see right now I'm perpendicular to that line. So that's a great start. And then I'm going to move on over here, click and release. And then if I make these two sides equal, so hit the E key on the keyboard or get the equal tool from the drop-down menu, and click and release on two adjacent sides. And then I'm going to go ahead. Right now you can see the two sides, the upper rectangle and the bottom rectangle are different sizes. So if I just make this side and this side equal to each other, not RE, click and release, everything is fully constrained. So have some fun with this. The Aligned Rectangle tool can create a whole lot of interesting geometry for you and solve some problems whenever you need a rectangular shape, but you don't want it to be locked to the coordinate grid in a conventional manner. So good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.